This is not a video on how to or um, how it got fixed. I am just simply saying this is what got fixed on my car, so the title might be a little bit misleading. If that's the case, if it's misleading, leave this video and cut. Okay, so here's the thing. I got my car fixed. The squeaking, the bad noise wasn't actually, it didn't have anything to do with the suspension. Well, it had to do with the rear side of the car underneath, but it didn't have to do with the wheels area. The arm bushing thing. I don't know mechanical terms, so, but it's what connects the suspension to the turny thingy with the thingy-majiggy. Oh my god. I am so not good at explaining things in that kind of a detail. Anyways, the part cost, I think, $75, and the labor cost more than that. So in total, it came out to $375, which I had to use some of our mortgage payment money to fix that. So I'm in the process of trying to work my ass off to get that money back that we need for a payment. So, like, quite literally hours after I posted the video that says my car in big bold letters, that's when I found out that it could be fixed in the same day for that amount of money. So I had to fork over the money. They fixed it same day, and I was driving again the next morning. So that is the big bonus out of this. Not so great news is that because of that unexpected deal, it's coming up with the money to pay for the mortgage payment. So there's that. And our electricity bill is behind. That's a different story. It's actually been behind for a while, unintentionally. So yeah, I'm driving. That's what counts. I'm in the process of filling out an application for a full-time job because it's summertime and frankly Lyft is just not that busy. You have to take into consideration when there's a shit ton of new drivers, and then when school gets out, chances are there's going to be teachers that are also going to be driving for extra income. So therefore, another loss of income. So as long as I can get this full-time job and still do Lyft on the part-time side, like I did initially when I started out, I've gone from part-time to full-time, back to part-time, and currently doing full-time. And yeah, it's just a cycle. Just waiting for my next ride. 4:54 p.m. on, I think today's the 8th of May? I don't know. Let's see here. Wednesday, May 8th. Yes. And I only have 6 new voicemails that I don't really want to check. Alright, that's about it. Kind of a short-ish video. Almost 6 minutes long. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 6 minutes. Goodbye.